I tell you, it was Peter Jones just after the TM3 at the buzzer. And that's why our score at the end of the third quarter is 86-80. At punta po natin sa coach's corner, Coach Norman Black. Coach? Okay, what do you think of that third quarter, Peter Jones with that explosion to end the third quarter?
A very emotional third quarter for both teams. Both benches are up, yelling at the referees on almost every play. You know, Central Lucia with 42 foul shots so far. On the other side, Pure Foods with 27. This may come down to a foul shooting contest.
And then if you're Coach Ryan Gregorio, should you be happy? You're on top, and Kirby Raymundo and James Happ, they're not the leading scorers. It's that man, Peter Jones.
Well, the thing that really stands out right now is the will of Pure Foods to win this basketball game. They're down 2-0. They know they have to win this. They're showing a lot of heart here in this game so far.
And then for Santa Lucia, what can they do to recover momentum here in the fourth quarter?
Well, continue to do what they're doing. They're getting to the foul line. They're attacking the basket. They're not relying on three-point shots. The thing that's happening, though, is Pure Foods is taking care of the basketball, so Santa Lucia has not been able to get very many turnover points.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Norman Black from the coach's corner. In the meantime, here's Mendoza, and Mendoza was fouled.
That's right, fourth quarter na ito, Migo. At dadagdagan ko pa yung aking watch list. May PS pa ako ika nga. Sa Pure Foods, we should watch for their feet. Yung finishing kick na hinahanap natin sa Pure Foods na wala sa kanila ng first two games. As we see the scoring by quarters, nakakalawang pa rin po Pure Foods by 6 points dito sa pagsimba ng fourth quarter. May finishing kick pa ang Pure Foods na ngayon nakakalamang by 6 points going to the fourth quarter. Samantala, at titingnan naman natin sa Santa Lucia, the legs, yung youth brigade na pinagmamalaki ng Santa Lucia. Now na hindi pa nakakasko ng maigi itong si Kyle Williams, nandun pa ba ang kalamangan sa lakas, ika nga ng mga bata ni Coach Boyet Fernandez para makahabol at manalo dito sa ating laban na ito?
In the meantime, tinawagan ng foul si Paulo Mendoza. That's his second personal. Again po ang kauna-unahang team foul ng Santa Lucia in the fourth quarter. Ryan Reyes is back on the hard court to replace Joseph Yo. And Van Heusen is the shirt of choice for the power dressers. Van Heusen dresses up the modern man. And now with distinction and a clear-cut sense of style, Van Heusen, best dressed shirt.
Wala pa tayo niyan yan na yung binili ko nung araw pa So,
si Derek Miranda tinawagan ng third personal foul. Second team foul against Santa Lucia. For more Pure Foods, here's Paulo Trillo.
Miko, nung last break, kitang-kita natin that yung Pure Foods TJ Giants were all fired up. Si Coach Ryan Gregorio was motivating his players. He illustrated some plays on the board. Tapos tumingin siya dito kay Romel Aducol at sinabi lang ni Coach Ryan, Romel, you are our best post defender. Tapos tumayo na lahat ng players, and that was it.
Yun ang may kinahihiwatig. Mga statement. You read between the lines.
Pakuha ka sa tingin.
Tama ba yun? Although with a player like June Simon na talagang nag-iinit dito sa ating laban na ito, that will give a lot of legs kay James Shapp pagbabalik niya dito sa hard court.
This is a refrain. Marlo against Romel.
Ang kita mo na basta between the lines ni Romel Aducol yung sinasabi sa kanya ni Coach Ryan, you are our best post defender. At na-depensa niya na maigi si Marlo Aquino. Again, forcing the skyscraper into a traveling violation. He's second in this ballgame.
7-point lead para sa Pure Foods here in the payoff period. And James Yap connects.
Kita mo, relax na relax si James Yap. Hindi niya kailangan pilitin ang kanyang mga puntos kanina dahil may umi-score naman sa kanila. Pero pagbabalik niya, balik ulit sa scoring si James Yap. Now with 17 points.
First person na laban kay Noy Castillo, who is fresh as a daisy here in the second half.
Nagbibigayan din itong dalawa kanina. Naipito na Kailangan nga pagsabihan pa ito si Denok at saka si Noy Castillo.
Here's Williams, way outside. Miranda, 7 to shoot. Denok Miranda goes inside, and the power drive works, and bonus free throw here for Denok Miranda.
That's why Santa Lucia is still in the ballgame, even if Kelly Williams is not scoring that high, because Coach Boyd has players like Denok Miranda, who completes this layup, plus a foul, And earlier it was Joseph Yo na talaga namang bumubuhay dito sa opensa ng Realtors. Ingrid will collect the personal foul. He's second. Points for Denok Miranda, also in double-digit scoring in Game 2. At you see, itong nasa watches natin, si James Shap. 17 points. Pero ang mas mahalaga doon, ang support sa kanya ng kanilang kupunan with 72 points. Bannered with a 24-point output. Nito namang si PJ Simon. The foul will be on Miranda dito sa uling opensiba ng Pure Foods na nasa itaas pa by 6 points. We're looking for the kick, the finishing kick ng Pure Foods dito.
One-hander by James Shah won't work. Ito na si Denok Miranda. 6 points na inahabol ng Santa Lucia. Miranda, where's he going? Here's Reyes. Reyes inside. Espino. Dennis Espino. On the move. Espino. Power move off the glass.
Kalabawan na ang laban. Si Marlo kanina, na-check ni Romel Aducol, yung dalawang bantayan na yun, nagpalitan. Si Dennis Espino, actually kanina pang loading it over dito kay Jordan Salvador.
At timeout muna tayo rito with 9:14 to go. In the fourth quarter, lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods. Abirin.
Alam mo, lamang amigo dito ang Pure Foods 89 to 85, but the signs are not going for them. Nagiging high scoring itong ating serye na ito. Pero, hindi pumapabor sa Pure Foods yan dahil every time nakakascore naman si Kirby Raimundo was the star of that play. Meron na po kasing 5 personal foul itong si Kirby Raimundo at the half of the third quarter.
Nakawala si Peter John Simon and he might be suffering from cramps here. Simon now with 26 big points. Here's Yo on the move and the layup is good.
May pangsagot naman ng Santa Lucia and sa opensiba nitong si PJ Simon. At ito, ang mamang ito, si Joseph Yo, na talaga namang nag-iinit na rin sa scoring with 18 points to lead the Realtors. Posible pang makumpleto ang 3-point play.
Meantime, Ryan Reyes has to sit down because he has 5 personal fouls. And si Peter Jun Simon, he's now being attended to on that Pure Foods bench. Might be suffering from cramps at this point.
Tama ang inala mo, pagkapasok nga ng layup na, si Menyes na siya.
Yo with a rebound, Joseph Yo with a putback. And that's a 4-point play para kay Joseph Yo.
At kung gaano kahirap ang mga puntos ni Kelly Williams tonight, napakadali naman para dito kay The Ninja Joseph Yo.
So we have two unlikely leading gunners here for both teams as Yap will score inside. Yun na tinatawag na pinaghirapan.
Although dito sa PBA, nagugulat tayo, but these two players, Yo and Simon, are both certified scorers.
Here's Espino. Joseph Yo with 20 points tonight. 4-3. No go. Rebound para kay Roger Yap. 4-point lead para sa Pure Foods with 8 minutes to go in the game. And a swipe by Obalon. Here's Joseph Yo on the move. Hand off Espino. Score!
Kita mo naman yan, ang selfish play on the part of Joseph Yo, realizing sa kanya pupunta ang depensa dahil alam niya, mainit siya. Kaya yung handoff, timing na timing, and the completion by Dennis Espino.
Still a 2-point lead para sa Pure Foods, and that's going to be a foul against Denok Miranda.
Denok Miranda, talagang hindi niya pinapakalimot kay James Yap na siya ang kanyang bantay. 5 na ito kay Denok Miranda.
So yung starting backcourt ni Boyd Fernandez is in foul trouble. Ryan Reyes has 5, and Denok Miranda likewise with 5 personal fouls.
And that's a big decision for Coach Boyet to make dahil ang haba pa ng ating laban. 7:31 pa natitira sa ating fourth quarter. At nagsisimula pa lamang uminit si James Yap thanks to the hot scoring of PJ Simon. Kaya ika nga, simple-simple. Relax na relax ang laro. Ito si James Yap.
Sa TM3 yun para kay James Yap, man with a million moves. In the meantime, banggaan dito si Espino at Aducol.
That time, wala siyang nagawa kay Dennis. Simple-simple. Walang kahirap-hirap kay James Yap.
22 points tonight para kay James Yap. Meantime, here's Espino. Espino. You know, Romel Aduhol is having a tough day at the office.